Picture. Nakauna to.
Oh.
Char. Open.
What's the
Open. Si ate mo na ito.
I just want to see them.
Ito. Ate, ito.
Ha?
Eh, we need to open the ano.
Ay, oo.
Be, you need to stay here kasi.
Good for you? Do you really like chocolate?
Where's mine? Naghanap. Tapos din.
This one's for the doopies.
And then, you need to open this. Gawin na lang sila.
Kaya dito. I'll take a picture. This came from the US. This came from the US. Not a good one.
Diyos ko, kamusta naman ako?
Ako kanila later. Hindi ako mag-uwi.
Ate, ano pa?
Halo yata yan, ate.
Ha?
Halo.
Open. Hindi ko alam kung halo kasi yan be or separate yan for the two of you. Be, lapit ka naman konti. Hindi kay kasya sa frame.
Sabi kayo. Ikaso sa picture. Sabi daw kayo dahil. Parang ka nagkaawan eh.
Oo nga.
Ayaw ba? Ba't ayaw? Help? Okay, we need to phone a friend. Oh, no, hirap. Wala pa. Ayaw magkakaroon. Oh. Ayaw.
Oo. May note.
Love letter. Pagod ka na?
Kaya pa?
Kaya ako. Pero magod.
Ah. Ay, same color, oh.
Oo nga. I think it's a...
Excuse me.
Labas nila.
Oh.
Nakakakuha. Dami na dun sa... So, isa lang. Dalawa. Ay, isa lang. But puro sleeveless.
I think the one who makes Old Navy, no? The one who makes Old Navy also makes the one who makes Old Navy, I think, is the one who also makes that brand.
Why ang sleeveless?
Girly girly.
Ginagawa ka na yung babae. Oo nga. Tama naman. Actually, doon din. Yeah. Thank you so much. But, I love yellow.
Ayoko naman tawa to si Jace.
I love yellow. But I like the plastic too. See? The plastic is blue and yellow.
Ano na lang, kunan ko sila ng message mo. Or Miss Ivy. Ah. You can say,
No, ang itim ko, tapos yellow pa.
you're not dark. I'm darker, oh.
Oh my
Right?
Meron nga, black talaga.
Boracay.
No?
Because every time I go there, my color doesn't doesn't come back to my original color. So that's what I got for going there for a few times. For a number of times. So if you can give a message to Miss Ivy. The one, yeah, Ivy. Oy, closer naman. Move closer. You can fit on the frame eh.
Ako na lang picture.
Ayun, sige.
Siyempre, ruga. Ay, tawag mo kung sa'yo. Hindi
who
ako marunong
goes
mag-Bisaya,
first?
mag-move. Kasi tignan mo paano. Ah?
Ate Ivy.
Like? Ay. Parang, there's no voice niya. Kaya yan. Hi, Ate. Ano nga eh?
Okay.
Hello po. Thank you sa gift. I really love this one. So cute. I love yellow. I like the sleeveless. Oh, the sleeveless. Mag-wear na ako ng sleeveless.
Okay.
Mag-wear ka na Thank you po. Hindi, t-shirt lang. Minsan,
Okay.
yung that.
Yeah. Yes.
You know how to
Jim.
speak in Tagalog already?
He also said ate. He already said ate, so that's already Tagalog.
Thank you po. Yeah, thank you so much.
I'll be uploading this on